Got acne troubles? Use this easy advice. Trying to determine how best to eliminate acne for good can leave many people frustrated. You simply need to pay attention to some sensible tips. Start right here with the ones outlined in this video. Tea tree oil is an exceptional acne on your face. Tea tree oil provides a non-drying way to eliminate oil from backing up in your acne without drying skin. Try wearing water-based makeup or no makeup for a while and see if that has any effect on your acne. It is tempting to try and hide acne under layers of makeup, but it will only clog your pores and make the situation worse. Staying away from makeup may clear up the best way to keep your pores clean and healthy. Avoiding stressful situations can help you combat acne. Stress doesn't cause acne by itself, but it will exacerbate existing acne. Frequently washing your linens can really improve your complexion. These oils are transferred to your pillowcases and sheets. They then get onto your skin again. You should clean your sheets and pillowcases at least once a week to break the time to avoid this. Garlic purges toxins in your body and help new skin develop. Add garlic to your diet in any way that you want improved acne. Zinc helps acne because it reduces the formation of damaging free radicals from forming under your skin's surface. Cystic acne can be reduced to a few bumps by taking zinc every day. Almost everybody has had to deal with acne at some time in their lives. Some only have had minor breakouts here and there, and others have had chronic acne for years. A skincare solution for acne can be difficult to find. Use the advice in this video to find the right solutions for you. Stick with these tips, and you will have glowing, clear skin. Don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to our channel.